Say, my name is Raven. I'm Raven. And welcome to the F Gotti channel. Don't have kids. Be ready for stuff like this. Having to pick this child up everywhere you go. Hey, YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube. What's happening? She's too busy for anything. I'm gonna try to make this video as perfect as I possibly can with this baby right here. Basically, I met my first YouTube subscriber yesterday. And it gave me absolute life. Gentleman go by the name of Emmanuel. He works at the Driveway. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia live. So, you know, I pulls up to the window and he's like, hey, ain't you F Gotti? I'm like, yeah, I'm F Gotti. Yeah, you was rapping with Shawty Low and you be doing your little hair vlogs and stuff. I said, well, yeah, that's me. He said, man, I'm subscribed to you, man. You know, my name is Emmanuel, man. You doing a good job. I said, wow, that made my day. I've never met a YouTube subscriber in my life, but I appreciate you, Emmanuel. Salutes out to you, big homie. This vlog is for you. You know what I'm saying? And please keep subscribing and commenting and, you know, share my videos. Let your peoples know how I'm doing, you know. And then we're going to keep rocking, man, you know. First YouTube subscriber, man. That was amazing, man. That made me feel like a star. I felt like somebody like DK4L or something. You know what I'm saying? I felt like this one. Peace and blessings to the mob. I appreciate everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody for staying tuned with me. I'm about to get back to this one. Baby Raven. Say bye-bye. Bye.